Guys, how are you guys doing? I'm hoping that you guys are doing great and that you guys are doing amazing. So in this episode, guys, just what we love doing, reviewing places, and today I want to take you to this Airbnb Kakamega. So usibanduke, let's dive into this video. Alafu kuje subscribe, unangoja nini? Subscribe to my channel. Help me share wiki. Comment bana. You enter on this side, we have that side, I'll show you later. Then you also have this side here to go to the rooms. Then this how the sitting room area looks, guys. Okay, only have 2 chairs. So now that people are many, they ordered for these other chairs. You can see how the curtains are. Wow. Then you also have these wall arts here. So from this corner, this is how the place is. It's very minimalistic, by the way. The place is very minimalistic. We have there the TV, we have Wi-Fi, we have the clock there. Then let me show you to the kitchen before we go upstairs. These are also the rooms, but I think are locked. Yeah. Oh my god, guys. So this door here, let's say before we go to the don't know if it can open. There is outside. You can use this door as an exit. In the kitchen, this is how the kitchen area looks. Wow. This in Kakamega, guys. Nice fitted curtains. Then we have utensils, we have everything for washing your utensils. We have coffee maker, microwave, we have the fridge, we have bedroom looks. It's thin blue. I don't know whether it's blue or I don't know what the color it is, but I think it is that blue. Then we also have the cabinets over there and the mirror. On this side is there we have also bathroom slash toilet here. And another thing with this master bedroom, we have a let's see where this door will lead. Oh my god, it's just rained, but it leads you to this balcony over here. Yep. And this is how the place is. This is how beautiful the place is in Kakamega. help me share the video widely, comment, like, let's get social, guys. So see you on my next episode, guys. I love you.